Hey, today we're going to be installing the Mr. Beams security light. It's a wireless security light, battery operated, and it seems pretty simple. Last evening we had come out and decided where we were going to hang it while it was dark out so we could position the beams. So I put a piece of that blue tape up there. That's where we decided we were going to put it, and now we're going to install it. So I've already drilled a couple pilot holes. First thing we're going to do is get our screw, put it in the pilot hole. You just have to make sure that you leave yourself enough room so that you can fit the light over top of the base. Second screw. And slide it over, and that's it. Installed. Tonight we'll come back out and see how if we have to reposition the lights. That's it. If I can do it, you can do it. Okay, now it's nighttime, and we're going to go check our Mr. Beams security light, our wireless security light, to see how effective it is, and maybe reposition if we have to. So I should be able to get within 30 feet and it will set it off, and there it is. The light has come on, it's working. The light really throws off a lot of light. You can really, you can move them up and down, sideways, up, down. So I want to position it out into my yard. And I want to hit my driveway also. And it's sturdy up there, it's not going anywhere. All in all, it's a pretty good product. It seems to, it puts off a lot more light than I anticipated. It's really setting out for backyard. I'm really happy with the product.